Today I want to explain question number 4. What is the question number 4 here? Find two rational number between 0.7 and 0.77. So already I told. So here, what is the first rational number here? 0.7. So this is 0.7. That means 0.70. Second rational number is what? 0.77. That means less than 0.77. So 0.70 less than 0.77. We have 0.70 less than 0.77. Already I told, between two rational numbers, you are able to insert many irrational numbers. What is the meaning of irrational number? Means a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is called an irrational number. So I want to insert here irrational numbers. How many irrational numbers they asked here? Two irrational numbers. So the two irrationals between them are, so irrational means non-terminating, non-repeating. Already I told 0.70 means you have right next number 71. 01, 001, 0001 and so on. Like that you have to keep. Next 0.72 you have to start. 0.72, 04, 004, 0004 and so on. Like that you are able to write infinitely many irrationals between two rationals. Students, anybody asks you find two irrational numbers between two rational numbers means, two decimal numbers means, you have to write, compare between first two rational numbers, that is 0.7 means 0.70 less than 0.77. After that one, we have to write the relation number 0.70 after relation 0.71. You have to keep 01, 001, 0001 and so on. Or 02, 002, like that you have to keep anything, but it must be non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. So this is the method how to find two irrational between two rational numbers. Now I am going to explain, find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. Very, very important. Listen everybody carefully. You know, we have to find the value of root 5. So many characters is there here. That means you have to keep 5 means 5.000000. How many keep? You have to keep like that, no problem. Now you are having the real part is 5 here. So the real part is equal to 5. In this, the real part 5 means 5.00 equal 5 is the real part, remaining part is decimal part. First you have to check about the perfect square. 5 of perfect square means you know already 1 into 1 equal to 1, 2 into 2 equal to 4, 3 into 3 equal to 9, 4 into 4 equal to 16, like that you are having. First you have to check about the perfect square. That means 1 into 1 smaller, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9 becomes bigger. So you have to keep 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 equal to 4. That is 5 minus 4 1. After that you are having decimal point, so you have to keep decimal point. After that, in this method, you have to bring 2 zeros. You have to keep 2 zeros. So, children, again see that one. First I am taking real part 5. 5 have to check the table perfect square. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. Like that you have to see. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Keep decimal point here. You have to bring anytime 2 zeros. After that one, what you are having here 2. You have to double this one. If you double this one, you will get 4. So that means double of 2. See everybody carefully, you have to double this divisor. 2 will become 4. So double means 2 into 2 will become 4. After that one, in 100, you have to check the table. 4 table means here 4. In 10, 2 times. That means you have to check 42 into 2. That is 2 2 4. 2 4s are 8. So in 10, 4 table 2 times. That's why you have 2 and 2. That means 2, 2. That is 84 you will get. So if you 3 means 43 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 129 will become. So you have to keep 2 here and also 2. That is 100 minus 4, 84, 16. Already decimal is point there, that's why you have to bring 2 zeros again. Children, see carefully that one. So 42 into 2, 84. After that one, you have to double this one again. So you have to double this one means 42 into 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 84 you will get. So you have to 84 you will get.
Okay, no need sir. My phone. Hello sir, hello. Continue. Pause na.
So after that one, 42 plus 2, that it will become 44. You have to add 42, what you are multiplying is 42 plus 2. So 42 plus 2 equal to 44, that will become divisor. So now you have to keep 44 have to keep digit of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 anything. If you multiply with that, you will get 1600. For suppose, if you keep 441 into 1, you will become 441. Again, after that one, if you keep 2, that is, if you keep 2 here, 442 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 884. If you keep 3 here, so 443 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 4 is 12, 13. So if you keep 4 here, so 444 into 4. Into 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 1 17, 4 4s are 16. It will become larger. That's why you have to keep 3 only. That is 443 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. That is 1329.
That's it.
So you have to
keep
3. If you keep reminder, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 2, 7, 5 minus 3, 2. So you got 271 as a reminder. If you keep how many has 3 decimal places, that's why you have to do another calculation. So you have to keep another 2 zeros. So another 2 zeros means next quotient will be 443 plus 3. That is 446 you will get. 446 you will get. Now you have to keep the number here, and if you multiply that one, you will get 27100. So check yourself. That 446, what you want to keep here? First of all, if you want to keep here 3 means into 3 into 3. That is 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. That is 13,389. But it is having 27,100. So 446 you have to keep 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So that is 22,325. But you are having 27,100. So check with 6. That is 446. 36, that is into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, plus 3 39, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2 26. So it is approximately, I think it is nearest. So keep here 6 and 6. So you will get 26,796. If you do remainder 10 minus 6 4 0, 9 minus 0 9 0, 10 minus 7 3. So you get 304. So they want to stop here up to 3 means start to stop here 2.236. So stop. Again when I explain, please carefully everyone. This is very important. But if you observe in the beginning only, you will get easily. First, they have to keep root 5 means like this in vertical bar 5. So the real part is 5 here. That means you have to check about the perfect square. That is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16 like that. But 3 3s are 9, it will go into bigger. That's why 2 2s are 4. That is 5 minus 4 1, keep the decimal point here and bring down 2 zeros. In this you have to bring down anyway 2 zeros. Next you have to add this one 2 plus 2. How much? 4. 2 plus 2, 4. After that one we have to keep digit here from 0 to 9 and multiply with that only you will get 100. So if you keep 42 into 2 it will become 84. If you keep 3 here, 43 into 3 will become more. That's why I am keeping here 2 only. That means in divisor you have to keep 2 and in quotient also you have to keep 2. That is 42 into 2 that will become 84. 100 minus 84, 16. Again you have to bring 2 zeros. How you are getting 44 here saved by? 42 plus 2. What you kept here? 2. In the quotient flow, what you kept, that only have to be added. 42 plus 2, that will become 44. Beside 44, you have to keep digit, any digit, and multiply with that means you have to come 1600. But for 43 into 3 means you will get 1329. If you kept 4 0 in, it will go into bigger. That's why you get 27,100. So same process you have to follow this one. You will get 2.236. So children, today you have to try to understand this one. Tomorrow I will explain another problem. Then definitely you will understand. Thank you. ఇది వీడియో మీట్లో వెళ్ళాలి మనం లైవ్ చేస్తే అసలు అర్థం కాదు. వాళ్ళు వింటారు వినరు ఇదని కూడా రెండుసార్లు చూసుకుంటారు ఏమైనా డౌట్ వస్తే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ అన్నీ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. మీకు చాలా పని పెట్టాను. అది లైవ్లో అర్థం కావట్లేదు. దానికి నిర్మలాట్లో కూడా ఏం చేస్తామంటే 5 minutes అలా పోస్ట్ చేసేస్తున్నాము. వాళ్ళు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ నిజంగా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు సార్ ఏంటి అని అడుగుతున్నారు, ఫోన్ చేసి అడుగుతున్నారు. అదే లైవ్లో పెట్టాను, అది ఎంతవరకు రాసుకుంటారు ఈ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పార్ట్ని? అది